Today we're going to be making guacamole. Thanks for helping me hit 70 subs, but I know it's mostly from that one short video. It's fine though. Your first step is to cut a large onion in half. Next, carefully remove the bottom. Next, you want to dice the onion. First, place it flat on the side and start cutting it in slices, not all the way through, in one direction. Once that's done, cut it from the side. Then slice it from the top. Now I should have put it on a larger cutting board, but I didn't really think that through. If the onions weren't diced well, you can also just manually chop them. Then transfer it to a plate. For the tomato, it's pretty similar. First, remove the bottom. Then, flat side up, you want to make vertical cuts that aren't all the way. Then, turn a tomato around and you want to make horizontal cuts. Then, lay the tomato on its side and start slicing. Since my blade wasn't sharp enough, I kinda made a mess. If you weren't able to dice all of it, that's fine, just manually dice them. Basically do the same thing I did with the onions. Once you're done, transfer it to a plate. Now for the jalapeno, cut the top of it. Then take out the center by cutting along the sides. Then dice your jalapeno. Now I only did half because I'm not the only one that's eating this, so I can't really make it that spicy. Take an avocado and start slicing it around the pit. Then to take the halves apart, just twist. Use a spoon to take the pit out and to also remove the avocado from the skin. For this recipe, I'm using 2 whole avocados. And with a fork or any other utensil, smush it together. Keep smashing until it looks something like this. To season it, add a teaspoon of salt, then a shake of pepper, add in some of the onions, some pepper, and the tomatoes. If you want, squeeze some lime. Then with your utensil, mix well until it looks something like this. For presentation, I put some of the guac in the bowl. And then I put it into a bigger bowl and filled it out with tortilla chips. Hey guys, so these are my guacamole. This is my guacamole. I'd say it looks pretty good. For the first time making this, fun fact, it is my first time. It actually doesn't look half bad. So yeah, let's try it. Yep. Taste the salt. The pepper. I love adding the jalapeno in. I'd give this a 8.9 out of 10, in my opinion. Maybe a little bit more seasoning, it'd probably be a 9.5, but yeah. Anyways, bye guys, and thank you for the ridiculous amount of subs I've been getting.